Today we're walking through a few ways to synchronize Mimetic Digitwolis, our 4-output CV sequencer and quantizer. The module can run on its internal clock or sync to external sources like MIDI, DIN sync, or an analog clock. Let's start with transport. Transport is an optional system that lets Mimetic Digitwolis follow external start, stop, and clock signals. To enable it, open the Global Configs menu and under Transport, change the mode from None to your preferred sync source. Once enabled, Transport controls the module's play state, clock, and reset. The Stop Edit Run switch will behave the same way, no matter which transport mode you choose. Transport clock sources are shown in musical divisions. 1 is a whole note, 2 is a half, 4 is a quarter, 8 is an eighth, and 16 is a 16th note. You can also assign transport triggers per lane. For example, let's make an XY sequence that moves horizontally every 16th note and vertically every measure. To do this, in the Step menu, set dimensions to 4x4, X advance to transport 16, and Y advance to transport 1. Now let's go over the different transport sources. The internal clock is the easiest one to use. Select Clock as the transport mode and choose your BPM. MIDI is simple too. Set transport to MIDI, then patch a MIDI clock source to the MIDI in Type A jack. Start your MIDI transport from your external gear, and Mimetic will follow along. This is perfect for portable sequencers or drum machines. There are also 3 analog transport options: DIN, gate, and trig. With DIN sync, playback only runs while the run gate is high, and all lanes reset when the external source starts. DIN expects a run gate and a 24 ppqn clock. Patch your run and clock controls into the trigger inputs, then select those inputs in the transport menu. Gate uses standard Eurorack signals with separate run, reset, and a ppqn4 clock input. Transport is enabled when the gate is high and stops when the gate is low. Trig is similar to gate, but uses triggers instead, toggling playback with each pulse it receives. Gate and trig are great for creative sequencing. Patch a trigger sequencer, like numeric repetitor, into the run input to rhythmically start and pause playback. You can also skip the transport entirely and use direct trigger mappings. Just set your transport to None and assign triggers directly to the 5 input jacks to advance or reset lanes. Keep in mind that if you combine transport and direct triggers, the direct triggers won't respond when external transport is stopped.